In today's video, I'll be trying out the viral rice hair mask on my fussy hair. I've been seeing a lot of rice recipes for hair care. Thankfully, today is wash day, so I'll be trying it out and hopefully my hair would also love this miracle ingredient because there has been a lot of positive feedback about this rice hair mask on different hair types from straight to kinky hair. And yeah, I know that rice is rich in a lot of nutrients like amino acids, vitamin B, C, E, and K, and also some proteins which can help improve your hair health. So I'm super excited to try out this rice hair mask on my hair. I really can't wait to see the results. My hair is actually very dry and dirty as you can see, so I proceeded to wash my hair, which is the first step before you apply any hair mask or any hair treatment. You have to clarify your scalp and your hair, okay? And if you're a natural hair girly, you know that the right way to wash your hair is in sections. Anyways, I'm going to rinse this and prep the rice hair mask. For this rice hair mask recipe, I'm going to be using fresh aloe vera gel along with olive oil and the rice, okay? So I'm just going to show you the process of prepping my ingredients. So you have to make sure you wash your rice thoroughly. I soaked the rice in water for an hour before I proceeded to boil it, okay? And you have to use like twice the amount of water you would use to boil the rice normally, okay? You're actually supposed to let the rice cool down a little bit before you blend it. I added my aloe vera gel off camera and proceeded to blend with my smoothie blender, which was a bad idea because look at the paste. It wasn't looking as creamy as it was supposed to look. So after turning it out, I saw some rice seeds, so I had to go back and blend with my blender. And you can obviously tell that this is a smoother paste than the previous one. Anyways, I started to apply this to my hair, starting from the ends of my hair and worked it all the way up to the roots of my hair. Some hair types use this rice hair mask as a hair straightener, which obviously won't work on my hair, and that's not even the reason I'm trying it out. But this actually feels like I'm applying relaxer to my hair, the way it kind of stretches my hair. And then some people claim it has conditioning and softening effect, which I would absolutely love to experience. I also heard it can be used as a keratin treatment for your hair. So I'm curious to know what results I'm going to get from this mask. Anyway, look at how stretched my hair looks, and I absolutely love the feeling. I went ahead to apply the mask to my entire hair off camera, and I tried to comb my hair out, but really wasn't working. It just felt a certain type of way. It felt uncomfortable. Anyways, I used my hand to work it into my hair thoroughly, making sure that every strand gets enough of the max. And I just love how this makes my hair feel, and it kind of also defines my coils in a way. You guys, I did a lot of research before I decided to try out this rice hair mask. I found out that rice contains inositol, which is an antioxidant that is found naturally in the body. And a lot of research also suggests that inositol can lower DHT levels, that's dihydrotestosterone, which is some sort of hormone in the body that causes hair loss and hair thinning. Inositol is also known as a hair growth agent as it encourages the growth and health of hair follicles. It also helps prevent hair thinning. A half cup of cooked rice contains about 0.17 gram. That's approximately zero point 0.2 grams of inositol, which is not so much. Anyways, I'm done sectioning my hair. I'm going to cover with a plastic bag and let it sit for somewhere around an hour. And this is me after an hour and 30 minutes. I slept off, and this smells like I boiled rice inside my hair, and it actually feels soft, like the feeling you get when you have a deep conditioner in your hair. I'm going to wash this off and I'll be right back, okay? I'm done washing off the marks, and it actually wasn't hard to get out of my hair. I'm sure you guys can see the whitish rice particles in my hair. So if you're ever going to try this, make sure you save the rice or like save the paste or whatever. Anyways, let's talk about how my hair feels. My hair doesn't feel soft, it doesn't feel conditioned, it doesn't feel any kind of way that I love. It's, I don't know, it in fact it feels kinda, will I say stiff? Yeah, something like stiff. And yes, I know that one section of using a product or max is not supposed to, give me the whole results kinda, but it's still not supposed to make my hair feel worse than it was. And the only thing or the only benefit I think I got out of this is that my curls are more defined than before. My hair also feels shiny, and I think it's because of the olive oil and aloe vera that I added to the mask. My hair also feels more tangled than normal, even though I washed in sections. If you have kinky hair like me and you've tried this rice hair mask before, please share your experience in the comment section. So the only benefit I got from this rice hair mask is the coil definition. Other than that, I don't see another benefit. So now I have a hair full of whitish particles and a very very messy house to clean up, all thanks to this rice hair recipe. Will I be trying out these rice hair masks again? I really don't think so. Let me know in the comments if you have tried a rice hair mask and how was your own experience. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.